how to change your Gmail ID or Google account name on Google. So if you want to change your email ID or if you want to change your Google account name, then what you can do is simply open up your Gmail, and then you can simply go for the profile, which is on the upper right. Tap on your profile and then tap on manage your Google account. And once you've done that, now here you can go for personal info, tap on personal info, and here you will have your name, right? Tap on name, and under your name here you will have pencil shaped icon on the right side. Tap on the pencil shaped icon, and then you can enter your first and last name, the new name that you would like to change. And once you enter the name, you will have save option on the bottom right. So once you tap on save or once you tap on done, then your name will be changed. So here, let me tell you one thing, that you can only change your name 3 times within the 90 days. If you change your name more than 3 times within the 90 days, then you won't be able to change your name. So make sure to enter the correct name and then tap on save and your name will be changed. So that's it. That's how you can change your Google account name. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.